Look at me. Cute, right? I'm a rental home, and everyone thinks you need a fortune to own me.
Correct! 6 figures down, 30 years of mortgage, a landlord's to-do list. That's the old way.
Ignore the doom. I'm the key. On Ark7, you don't buy the whole house, you buy a slice of me.
Ark7 is fractional real estate, curated, professionally managed rental homes, sold share by share.
Shares start as low as $20. $20. That's the door opening.
No tenants to call, no leaky faucets. Ark7 handles sourcing, leasing, and management. I just sit here and work.
Rent comes in each month, and your share of the distribution lands in your account.
10 markets and counting. Spread your money across homes in different states.
Hold for the long ride, or sell after the minimum holding period. You stay in control.
Full financial and legal disclosure, open around the clock. No hidden fees, no black box.
300,000 investors have already picked up their keys.
Real estate for the many, built by people who wanted in without the mansion price.
Curious? Click the link in the description for more information. The door's already open.